In the fast-paced realm of software development, the fusion of development and operations, commonly known as DevOps, has been a game-changer. However, as technology advances and demands grow, a new paradigm emerges, DevOps. This evolution represents a profound shift in how we conceive, create, and maintain software, offering a holistic approach that transcends traditional boundaries. In this blog, we delve into the intricacies of DevOps, exploring its principles, benefits, and the roadmap to its successful implementation. Understanding DevOps. At its essence, it embodies the seamless integration of development and operations, blurring the lines between coding and deployment. Unlike its predecessor, which primarily focuses on automation and collaboration, it takes it a step further by incorporating advanced practices like observability, continuous feedback, and iterative improvement. It's not just about accelerating the delivery pipeline, it's about building resilient, adaptable systems that evolve with the ever-changing technological landscape. The pillars of DevOps. Automation. Automation lies at the core of DevOps, enabling organizations to streamline repetitive tasks, minimize errors, and accelerate time to market. From infrastructure provisioning to deployment orchestration, automation tools and frameworks empower teams to focus on innovation rather than manual labor. Observability. In the era of complex, distributed systems, observability becomes paramount. DevOps emphasizes the need for comprehensive monitoring, logging, and tracing to gain real-time insights into system behavior. By proactively detecting and addressing issues, teams can ensure optimal performance and reliability. Continuous feedback. Feedback loops are the lifeblood of DevOps, facilitating collaboration, learning, and improvement. Through practices like blameless post-mortems and retrospectives, teams can reflect on their processes, identify bottlenecks, and iterate towards excellence. Benefits: increased efficiency. By automating manual tasks and optimizing workflows, DevOps accelerates the software delivery pipeline, allowing organizations to respond to market demands more rapidly. Enhanced reliability. With robust monitoring and observability, teams can detect and mitigate issues before they impact users, ensuring high availability and reliability. Improved collaboration. DevOps fosters a culture of collaboration and shared ownership across development and operations teams, breaking down silos and promoting cross-functional teamwork. Continuous improvement. Through continuous feedback and iterative improvement, organizations can adapt to changing requirements and market conditions, driving innovation and growth. Implementing DevOps, a roadmap. Assessment and analysis. Evaluate current processes, identify pain points, and define clear objectives for adopting DevOps practices. Automation strategy. Develop a comprehensive automation strategy encompassing infrastructure, deployment, testing, and monitoring. Cultural transformation. Foster a culture of collaboration, learning, and experimentation, empowering teams to embrace change and innovation. Tooling and technology. Select appropriate tools and technologies to support DevOps practices, ensuring alignment with organizational goals and requirements. Continuous learning and improvement. Encourage ongoing training and upskilling to equip teams with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in a DevOps environment. What is a DevOps engineer? A DevOps engineer is responsible for the smooth operation of a company's IT infrastructure. They work with developers to deploy and manage code changes, and with operations staff to ensure that systems are up and running smoothly. To be successful in this role, a DevOps engineer must have a deep understanding of both development and operations processes, as well as a strong technical background. As the world of business becomes increasingly reliant on technology, the role of a DevOps engineer is becoming more and more important. Companies are looking for individuals who can help them to streamline their operations and make the most of their IT infrastructure. If you have a strong technical background and are interested in working with both development and operations staff, then a career as a DevOps engineer could be the perfect fit for you. DevOps engineer job description, roles and responsibilities. A DevOps engineer's roles and responsibilities are a combination of technical and management roles. It is essential to have excellent communication and coordination skills to successfully integrate various functions in a coordinated manner and deliver the responsibilities to the customer's satisfaction. The DevOps engineer's responsibilities are multi-pronged. They need to be agile enough to wear a technical hat and manage operations simultaneously. Some of the core responsibilities of DevOps engineer include understanding customer requirements and project KPIs, implementing various development, testing, automation tools, and IT infrastructure, planning the team structure, activities, and involvement in project management activities. Managing stakeholders and external interfaces, setting up tools and required infrastructure, defining and setting development, test, release, update, and support processes for DevOps operation. Have the technical skill to review, verify, and validate the software code developed in the project. Troubleshooting techniques and fixing the code bugs, monitoring the processes during the entire life cycle for its adherence and updating or creating new processes for improvement and minimizing the wastage, encouraging and building automated processes wherever possible, identifying and deploying cybersecurity measures by continuously performing vulnerability assessment and risk management, incidents management and root cause analysis, coordination and communication within the team and with customers, selecting and deploying appropriate CI/CD tools, strive for continuous improvement and build continuous integration, continuous development, and constant deployment pipeline, CI/CD pipeline, mentoring and guiding the team members, monitoring and measuring customer experience and KPIs. Managing periodic reporting on the progress to the management and the customer. Next, let us look into the skills that are a part of the DevOps engineer job description. Why to learn DevOps? Learning DevOps is essential for modern software development and IT operations because it enables organizations to streamline processes, improve collaboration, accelerate delivery, enhance reliability, and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving technology landscape. DevOps skills empower professionals to automate tasks, implement efficient workflows, and adopt a culture of continuous improvement, thereby increasing productivity, reducing costs, and driving innovation. Future of DevOps. So, in a single word, DevOps has a promising and growing future, and the practical applications related to DevOps are increasing daily in the IT industry. So, we can say that the opportunities and demands of DevOps engineers will be increased in the coming years. So, DevOps technology will be created new job opportunities, and the software development process will be dependent on DevOps professionals. We can say that DevOps will be one of the most demanding job profiles in the future. The current global IT industry has a high demand for DevOps professionals in the market. As per the estimation, the requirement for DevOps professionals increasing rate in the last 5 years is around 40 to 45%. DevOps professionals will be one of the IT industry's future trends. There are many reasons behind this resolution. Some of them are as follows. Most companies prefer the automation process for their software development process. As the software always provides them with business, software automation is much more crucial for modern business as it will give the customer a better and more sophisticated experience. The DevOps integration testing process always helps developers identify any problem in the developed code and allow them to solve those issues in the software before deploying it in the testing or production environment. DevOps methodology also plays an essential role in case of the security field. It is because DevOps always maintain a discipline to maintain the plans, policies, and technology. Therefore, both DevOps and security typically look unusual to each other. But while we automate any process, there is a high chance of a problem. That's why we usually prefer to automate any process when we can control it. So, at the time of DevOps implementation, we always need to maintain the product security concern and follow all the security protocols related to the software. Salary packages in DevOps. Salary packages in DevOps can vary significantly depending on factors such as location, experience, skills, and the specific industry or company. However, DevOps professionals generally command competitive salaries due to the high demand for their expertise. In the United States, for example, entry-level DevOps engineers may earn around $70,000 to $90,000 per year, while experienced professionals with several years of experience and specialized skills can earn well over $150,000 annually. In regions with a high demand for DevOps talent, such as Silicon Valley, salaries tend to be even higher. Additionally, professionals with certifications or advanced degrees may receive higher compensation packages. Overall, DevOps offers lucrative career opportunities with the potential for substantial earning potential. Conclusion: in an era defined by rapid innovation and digital transformation, embracing DevOps is no longer an option but a necessity. By bridging the gap between development and operations, organizations can unlock new levels of efficiency, reliability, and agility, positioning themselves for success in the digital age. As we embark on this journey of transformation, let us harness the power of DevOps to drive innovation, collaboration, and continuous improvement, shaping the future of software development and operations. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics.